In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop image in Adobe Express. To get started, open your project in Adobe Express and make sure the image you want to edit is already on the canvas. Cropping is a simple but very useful tool because it lets you remove unwanted areas, tighten the framing, and place more focus on the most important part of your photo. Once your project is open, click on the photo you want to crop. This is important because Adobe Express needs to know exactly which image you want to edit before the crop options appear. After selecting the image, look at the top toolbar and find the crop option, then click it. As soon as you do that, take a look over at the panel on the left side. You'll see different preset crop shapes available. These can be helpful if you want a quick, consistent result, especially for things like profile images or stylized graphics. But for this example, choose Freeform. Freeform gives you the most flexibility, which is perfect when you want to control the exact size and framing yourself. Now you can begin adjusting the crop area. Drag the crop handles from any side or any corner to resize the selection however you want. You can make the crop tighter to zoom in on your subject, or trim away extra background space to create a cleaner composition. Take your time here so the image looks balanced and fits your design. If the part of the image you want isn't centered inside the crop, you can reposition it within the crop area. Just move the image as needed until the right section is visible. This is especially useful when you want to keep a face, product, or other focal point clearly in frame while still changing the overall crop size. When you're happy with the result, click anywhere outside the image to apply the crop. That confirms your changes and returns you to the normal editing view. And that's it. You've successfully cropped an image in Adobe Express. This is a quick edit, but it can make a big difference in how polished and professional your project looks. If you're working on social posts, presentations, flyers, or any visual design, knowing how to crop effectively helps you create cleaner layouts and better visual focus. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to crop an image in Adobe Express.